Starting a business can be incredibly exciting, but it's also a minefield of potential legal issues. One wrong step and you could find yourself facing costly lawsuits or fines that could cripple your business. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through these challenges. In this video, you will learn 5 key legal points to address in your business plan to ensure your business is on a solid legal foundation from day one. Number 1. Business structure. This might seem like a basic step, but choosing the right structure is fundamental to your success. Your business structure determines your liability, tax obligations, and even your ability to raise capital. Consider whether you should establish your business as a sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, or corporation. Each has its own legal and tax implications. For instance, an LLC can offer you protection from personal liability, while a corporation might be better if you plan to go public or raise significant capital. Consult with a legal expert to choose the best structure for your business needs. Number 2. Licenses and permits. Next up, you need to ensure that you have all the necessary licenses and permits to operate legally. This is often an area where new businesses get tripped up because the requirements can vary widely depending on your location and industry. Research the specific licenses and permits required for your business at the local, state, and federal levels. This can include general business licenses, health permits, zoning permits, and more. Keeping all of your licenses up to date is crucial, so set reminders for renewal dates. Utilizing local government resources or consulting with a legal advisor can help you ensure that you're fully compliant. Number 3. Intellectual property. Protecting your intellectual property is another critical legal aspect that should be included in your business plan. Intellectual property includes anything from your business name and logo to your proprietary products and services. Identify what aspects of your business need protection, such as trademarks, copyrights, and patents. Registering your trademarks and patents can prevent others from using your brand or products. Also, consider including confidentiality agreements with employees and contractors to safeguard your business secrets. Number 4. Contracts and agreements. A successful business relies on clear, enforceable contracts and agreements. These documents define the terms of your relationships with customers, suppliers, employees, and partners, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Draft detailed, customized contracts for all your business dealings. This includes employment contracts, supplier agreements, customer service terms, and partnership agreements. Make sure that these contracts cover all possible scenarios and include clear terms for payment, delivery, confidentiality, and dispute resolution. And number 5. Employment laws. Finally, understanding and adhering to employment laws is vital for any business with employees. These laws govern everything from hiring practices to workplace safety and employee rights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on running a successful business. Thanks for watching.